Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So we are gonna do a look with some new palettes that I have picked up. Maybe use a couple other new things that I have around here, use up some old things. We're just gonna kind of chit chat, and I'm getting back into the habit of filming, and yeah. So yeah, I look a little bit horrible today. It's Sunday, please excuse me. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put some lotion on my face. My face is horrible. So I'm going to use this Drunk Elephant moisturizer. It's like a little sample, like that came in something that I bought it with one of my 100-point things with Sephora or something like that. So I just leave those little things up here because I'm trying to use things like that up. Warming this up because it's a little bit chilly. I have the worst breakout from the wearing the mask all day, every day. So yeah. My head is out of it. Out of it, out of it, out of it. Alright, so one of the things I'm trying to use up, I have not ventured into my 21 project pan. So this is the Tinted Philosophy Moisturizing it's like a, well, it's like a tinted cream. That's exactly what it is, dummy. I have, this is like the third one that I have gone through. I love them. Very easy, especially if I don't want to put on a lot of heavy foundation. Just kind of blend it in your face. It's a little bit darker than my skin right now, but that's okay. We kind of blend it down. Blend it out. Blend it out. Blend it down. Alright, so really trying to be quicker about my face, you know. Like, I don't need to spend all this time on my face. I need to work on my eyes. So this is the Beach Bronzer from Urban Decay. And this is probably the second one of this. Even though I have a drawer full of bronzers over there, I just always keep ordering it. I just like the way it looks on my skin. I feel like it makes me glowy. Glowy. Shape out that nose a little bit. Yeah. I'm not going to put any blush on. Just because I don't always put it on, but I'm trying to use up. I know I need to do something with this. This is my Persona Cali Glow. I should just throw it in the trash, but I'm really too cheap to do any of that. So I am just kind of, you know, beating it to death with little brushes or big brushes. Alright, so we're going to put some of that here. It's a little bit much. And up here. Up here. Yeah. And then I'm going to take my finger in here and just get a little bit of powder on it and go from my nose I look like my nose is lit up. It'll go away. It won't last that long. And then I've been using the Glossier Boy Brow, and that's really all I'm doing to my face now. Just putting it in. Like that. Like that. You know. I mean, that's it. That's it. That's it. I have been using up my, if I can find it, it's my Hourglass lip exfoliator, because it's just that time of the year. My lips are just so dry. So, just kind of letting that settle and, you know, rub the lips a little bit while I'm doing my eye makeup. So, I want to do a look with this Linda Hollberg 1920s palette. I picked it up, I don't know, a month ago, 2 months ago, and I have not used it yet. This is what it looks like on the inside, and we are just gonna kind of go at it. Just enjoy it. See what we can come up with. There's a lot of shimmer shades in here. I think I'm gonna start with this shade right there, and we're gonna put that in our transition. Ooh, darker than I thought she was. Darker than I thought she was. Very pigmented. Not mad about it though. Not mad. Oh, if you're wondering, my hair is a hot mess because it's curly. I left it curly. So I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my eye. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Hello, Linda Hollberg. How I love thee. I mean, it just, gosh, her stuff just works for me. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this shade up here, a little bit darker, and with a little bit more precise of a brush, and see if we can't get a good outer V going. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Her palettes I love. I have not bought one yet that I haven't. They're a little bit pricey, but well worth it. You can get looks like this so easily. Wow. Now we'll get a little smaller brush, a little tinier brush, and we will take it underneath Wow. Wow. Now we're going to go into this whitish shade down here into our inner corner. Wow. Telling you what. Pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. I gotta do a little bit of all over brushing to kind of blend some things in. There we go. And then we're just gonna throw in some mascara and we're gonna be done with this look. That's just how simple that was. I was not expecting to be disappointed, trust me. It's just how her stuff is. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with some Kush mascara and see what we're doing. Seems to be dry. 1 down, 21 to go. I try and keep up with my mascaras so I don't leave stuff in here like that. I must have thought that was a new one. And that lip treatment is melted into my lips because they're so dry. And we'll probably just put a little bit of lip gloss on with this. Simple. Okay. Alright, everybody. So, if you haven't bought anything from Linda Houlberg, you should try it. I think you would like it. Butsy scared me shaking his head. So this is just the Luxe it's a Luxe lip gloss from ColourPop. Okay, so yeah, quick look. Like I said, the name of the palette is the new Golden 20s. Grab it. I buy her stuff, some of her stuff off her website, but mainly off of Beauty Bay. But anyways, what do you think? How do we love? Alright, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.